about this question, we need to evaluate the following integral. The best way would be to do a partial fraction because the degree of the denominator when x is multiplied with this x, that's going to be x squared. So the degree of the denominator is 2 and the degree of the numerator is 1. So in order to do the partial fraction, the degree of the denominator must be greater than that of numerator, which is satisfying in this case. So let's try to do a partial fraction of this. 3x minus 3 over x minus 2 and x plus 1. So x minus 2 and x plus 1 are linear factors. So we are going to write this in the form of a over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 1. Let's rewrite this as 3x minus 3 over x minus 2, x plus 1 remains as it is. This is going to be x minus 2 times x plus 1, and this will be multiplied with x plus 1, and this would be multiplied with x minus 2. So fortunately, these two gets cancelled, and what are we left with is 3x minus 3 is going to be equal to a times x plus 1 plus b times x minus 2. So we need to find the value of a and b now. So the best way is to make a substitution of first of, let's say, x is minus 1, so that this expression gets 0 and we'll get the value of b. So if x is minus 1, that's going to be negative 3 minus 3, which is negative 6, and that's going to be negative 3b. So from this, the value of b is coming as 2. Likewise, if x is 2, this term is going to get 0 and we'll get the value of a. So that's going to be 6 minus 3 is 3. That's going to be 3 is equal to 3a, which means that it's not 3 actually. Yeah, it's actually 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3. That's going to be 3 is equal to 3a, which means that a is 1. So we got the value of a and b. Now it becomes relatively easy to integrate because we are going to rewrite this integral as 3x minus 3 over x minus 2x plus 1 dx can now be rewritten as a over x minus 1, so 1 a over x minus 2, so 1 over x minus 2 plus b over x plus 1, so 2 over x plus 1 with a dx sign. So this is a straightforward integral. This is natural log of x minus 2, and this is 2 is a constant, comes outside. Natural log of x plus 1 plus the constant of integral is c. So this would be the final answer. Thank you.